Alright, today I got how to change your cabin filter on your EV, your Kona, not your Kona, your IONIQ 5. Zoomed out. So we got 10 millimeters. I already have these loose. A 10 millimeter here, a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I already have some of them removed. We get those out of the way there. Then we have this little plug here for the light. We're just gonna push the tab like that, pull it back, and then this whole little trunk piece comes out. So you move that outside of the side. This is where your cabin filter is. You're gonna pinch these together, slide it to the side, and pull your filter out, put the new one in. This is already the new one. Put it back like that. Put this back in its position. Plug your little light back in. And put all our 10 millimeter bolts in here. 4 in the front, 2 in the back. These don't gotta be like extra torqued or anything like that. You just get them down a little bit snug and you're fine. There you go, everything's back together, the light's working, and you've got your new filter. So hopefully that was helpful. Leave a like if it was.